back to Home's Decor Designs, your go-to channel for creating spaces you absolutely love. Before we start, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel. Leave comment, hit the like button or share this video to your friends and family. A detached carport is a standalone permanent structure specifically designed to provide overhead protection for vehicles without being physically attached to the main walls of a house. Unlike a traditional garage, which is fully enclosed, a carport is typically open on at least 2 or 3 sides, offering a breathable, airy shelter. The detached aspect is the key design choice here. It means the structure can be placed anywhere on your property, at the end of a long driveway, nestled near a garden, or positioned to create a separate courtyard feel. In modern architecture, these structures have evolved from simple utility sheds into sophisticated design statements that use clean lines, high-quality materials, and strategic lighting to complement the main residence. Opting for a detached carport brings a variety of functional and financial advantages to any property. One of the primary benefits is the flexibility in placement. Since it doesn't need to share a wall with your home, you aren't restricted by the existing footprint of your house, allowing you to maximize your land use. From a safety perspective, detached structures keep flammable liquids and exhaust fumes away from your primary living quarters, enhancing indoor air quality. Additionally, detached carports are significantly more cost-effective than building a full garage, requiring fewer materials and less intensive labor while still providing essential protection against UV rays, hail, and snow. They also offer a multifunctional space that can easily transition into a covered patio for outdoor gatherings or a shaded workshop when the cars are moved. Decorating a detached carport is all about blending functionality with the surrounding landscape to create a cohesive look. Start by focusing on the fifth wall, the ceiling, by adding warm LED recessed lighting or modern pendant fixtures to create an inviting glow at night. Integrating greenery is another highly effective strategy. Consider adding vertical trellises with climbing vines like jasmine or wisteria on one side to soften the structural lines and provide a natural windbreak. You can also use large, modern planters at the corners to define the entrance and add pops of color. For the flooring, moving beyond basic poured concrete to decorative pavers, stamped concrete, or even gravel borders can instantly elevate the space from a mere parking spot to a curated architectural feature that enhances your home's overall curb appeal. Selecting the right materials is crucial for ensuring your detached carport is both durable and visually appealing. For a sleek, modern aesthetic, powder-coated steel or aluminum is the top choice due to its incredible strength-to-weight ratio and resistance to rust and pests. If you prefer a warmer, more organic feel, pressure-treated timber or cedar provides a timeless look that blends perfectly with garden environments, though it does require periodic sealing. For the roofing, polycarbonate sheets are popular for their ability to allow natural light through while blocking harmful UV rays, whereas standing seam metal roofs offer a high-end industrial look and unmatched longevity. Many contemporary designs now combine these materials, using heavy steel beams for the primary frame and wood slats for decorative privacy screens, resulting in a balanced and sophisticated structure. Now that we've covered the fundamentals, let's explore some inspiring ideas for incorporating ideas into your project. Here these the compilation of the top 10 best detached carport design ideas to inspire you for your next project. One, the minimalist monolith. This design features a stunning, ultra-modern flat roof structure with a deep charcoal finish. The clean, horizontal lines are emphasized by integrated privacy slats on one side, which perfectly shield the vehicle while maintaining airflow. The use of white rectangular planters at the base adds a crisp contrast against the gray stone pavers, making this a perfect choice for contemporary homes. 2. The natural timber sanctuary. Embracing a rustic yet refined vibe, this carport utilizes warm cedar wood for both the overhead slatted roof and the side privacy walls. The play of light and shadow through the timber beams creates a dynamic environment, while the open grid paver system allows grass to grow through, blending the structure seamlessly with the surrounding landscape. 3. The architectural cantilever. This high-end design showcases a bold, cantilevered roof supported by a robust steel frame with horizontal wood slat accents. The elevated roofline gives it an airy, futuristic feel, while the integrated landscape lighting and cobblestone driveway emphasize the luxury of the vehicle it protects. It is a true testament to how a carport can be a work of art. For the forest retreat. Nestled among mature trees, this large-scale detached carport features a warm wood-clad ceiling with recessed star lighting. The structure is integrated into a larger outbuilding, providing a massive sheltered area that feels like an extension of the natural woods. The thick, dark support columns provide a sturdy, grounded aesthetic that feels permanent and protective. 5. The geometric V-frame. This design stands out with its unique V-shaped support pillars and intricate laser-cut metal detailing. The wide, flat roof provides ample shade for multiple vehicles, while the patterned cutouts cast beautiful shadows across the stone-textured driveway. It's an ideal choice for homeowners who want their carport to serve as a focal point of their exterior design. 6. The modern privacy pavilion. Merging a carport with a privacy screen, this design uses long, horizontal gray slats to create a semi-enclosed space. The structure is built directly against a manicured garden bed, allowing the yellow vehicle inside to pop against the neutral tones. It demonstrates how a carport can double as a garden wall to define different zones of a property. 7. The industrial slat box. This bold, dark-toned structure uses a wraparound slat design that almost completely veils the car within. The tight spacing of the horizontal boards provides excellent protection from wind-blown debris while creating a mysterious, high-end look. The contrast between the dark structure and the white gravel driveway creates a clean, sophisticated palette. 8. The golden glow wood wrap. This structure is a masterclass in lighting, featuring a fully wood-wrapped interior that glows under warm yellow spotlights. The design is open and inviting, acting almost like an outdoor stage for the vehicle. The continuity of the wood from the walls to the ceiling provides a sense of warmth and luxury rarely seen in car shelter designs. 9. The urban slat shelter. Functionality meets style in this suburban-friendly design. It features a sturdy metal frame with light-colored wood slats that provide a breezy, semi-private feel. The inclusion of a house number on the fascia board helps integrate the structure into the home's overall identity, making it feel like a planned, integral part of the property rather than an afterthought. 10. The Zen Garden Carport. This minimalist design focuses on verticality, using thin wood slats to create a light-filtering screen. The structure includes an integrated storage room with a seamless wooden door, providing a clean solution for hiding tools and car accessories. Set against a lush green lawn, it provides a peaceful, zen-like atmosphere that complements a minimalist lifestyle. Building a detached carport is one of the smartest ways to add value to your property while expressing your personal style. Whether you prefer the industrial strength of steel or the organic warmth of wood, these structures prove that you don't have to sacrifice beauty for utility. By thinking of your carport as an architectural extension of your home rather than just a parking spot, you create a versatile space that will serve you and protect your investments for decades to come. If you found these design ideas inspiring, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to Decor Designs for your weekly dose of architecture and interior inspiration. Which of these top 10 designs was your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. If you're planning a project of your own, check the links in the description for more resources on the materials and layouts we discussed today. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.
you.